I'm excited to introduce a new course, AI Coding Workflows from Cloud to Local, built in partnership with JetBrains. AI coding agents like Claude Code and Codex are now a key part of how we code, and they're convenient because these systems make a lot of decisions for you. In exchange, you give up some choices over cost, privacy, and control. Today, there's a growing number of AI coding alternatives, more open coding harnesses like OpenCode and PyCoding agents, and more models to choose from. And these give you ability to make more decisions and have more control. In this course, you learn how to split work across specialized subagents and how to assign different models to different tasks, move inference between different providers, and maybe even run parts of your workflow on local models. I'm delighted the instructor for this course is Paul Everitt, who's developer advocate at JetBrains.
Thanks, Andrew. And yes, in this course, you'll get hands-on with every layer of your AI coding setup, swapping the agent, choosing the models, deciding how work gets split between them, and where each model runs, whether it's in the cloud, inside your company, or even on your own machine. You'll also learn how to think through these choices, and that's the part that matters because this space is moving so fast. So this course isn't about finding the one right setup. It's about learning how to think about your setup so you can keep making good choices as the tools change. But that's the good news. You don't have to chase every release. Get your foot in the door now, and when something better comes along, you'll know what to do.
I find it great fun to peel open the hood of coding harnesses to look deeper into how they work so you can steer them more effectively. So I hope you enjoy the course.